Imagine a world where connectivity is not just a service, but a tool that developers can seamlessly integrate into their application to customize, optimize, and control network functions in real time. With Network as Code, you don't just use a network, you shape it. When your network becomes code, it doesn't just connect, it evolves. It responds in milliseconds. It adapts to demand. It turns connectivity into an interactive, automated experience driven by intelligence. At the heart of this transformation are Network as Code APIs that are simple, powerful, and designed for developers. These APIs unlock secure, programmable network functions, making it easier than ever to build and deploy services with just a few lines of code. And this is happening now. Businesses worldwide are embracing Network as Code. Drones with intelligent network connectivity, connected cars with real-time connectivity for smarter, safer driving. Remotely operated vessels with enhanced tracking and high-quality streaming at sea. Live broadcasting of events with uninterrupted, high-quality video feed, even in crowded network conditions. So what are you waiting for? Join our growing API ecosystem today.